Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your remote and fix if only the power button is working. So what you want to do is go to your TV and unplug it from the wall, unplug your Fire Stick, then go to your remote and press the back button, the button with the 3 lines on it, and then the left button, and hold all this down at the same time. Just like this, and count out loud to about 15. 1, 2, 3, and so on until we get to 15, and then the remote is going to reset. Then you can let go once you get to 15 and unplug the batteries, or just remove the batteries. Then plug the TV back in. Once you get back to this home screen, place the batteries back in, and then hold down the home button right here. And keep holding it down. And it should blink like orange or something like that on the remote in the top right. And this is an indication that it's going to be in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and it should reconnect. Now after about maybe 3 to 4 minutes, something should pop up on the screen that says no remote detected, and that's usually when this starts working. Then after that, you get control of your remote. You can go on over to where it says settings on the far right here and scroll on down. Sometimes your Alexa button isn't connected yet, so you need to go to controllers and Bluetooth, go to Alexa voice remote, and then go to add new remote, and hold down that home button once again, this home button, and it should show up on here. Just simply select it, ready for pairing, and your remote will be added under this list. And then you can use this Alexa button and your power button, and everything should work from here on out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.